how to lock your Instagram profile picture. This tutorial shows you how to secure your profile photo by making your account private on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open your settings. At this point, tap on Privacy to open your privacy settings. In the next step, scroll down and look for the Account Privacy option at the top. Following this, toggle on the Private Account switch to make your account private. Once done, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Switch to Private to confirm your decision. From here, your account is now private, meaning only people you approve as followers will be able to see your profile picture in full. At this stage, anyone who is not following you will only see a limited view of your profile and won't be able to zoom in or save your profile photo. Finally, go back to your profile and you'll notice a lock icon next to your username confirming that your account and profile picture are now fully secured. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you lock and secure your profile picture, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.